Right, man, we got our next bonus treasure here. Some kind of tractor implement. Buried here, we'll see what it is. There's the side yard, turned out pretty nice. Got grass in here now, they've been mowing it all summer. And inside of that big tree and all back in here, and then this is going to be the first clearing so we could pull stuff out of here. Got the old case out with the bush hog on it. Or the backyard, whatever. Collapsed half of the chicken coop. Hopefully Miss K can get the tin off of that one side anyways before I collapse the rest of it. I just couldn't get in over there and we're calling it in for the day. So buried here, we'll see what it is. We honk every time we come by. We decided I'm going to try and skim most of these briars off because it's just kind of right in the way. I'm not going to show their private stuff here, but this little field turned out beautiful. Beautiful back here. Good progress though. Right, Curtis?
Right. Yeah, not go up, not another. There you go.
So the next step was going to be I got to lift it. Now for the actual real reason that I came here. The pond is all the way up to my overflow pipes and it has flowed over beyond those. So let's do a little before and after of this pond dam and all the repairs that I did and see how it's doing right now here in January of 22. That border over there is all a creek. So a guy could put up a couple food plots back here, and for an 8-acre parcel, you might actually do pretty good. Speaking of digging, got a couple of, I don't know if they're trolls or not, but they like comparing me to Chris at Let's Dig, you know, saying, oh, Let's Dig does it this way, Let's Dig does it that way, blah, blah, blah. All right, here's a before look of this pond dam. We've got trees lining both sides. All right, here's what we're here for, the pond. Look at how beautiful this is. Remember the big mobile home was here? There was, I think, 3 of them stacked up right here. Look at how pretty this pond looks. It's not virgin ground, and I don't know how well he compacted it, but most of them should come out fairly easy. And this pond dam, remember this thing, this was totally overgrown.
you got to scrape it while it's falling so it don't fall on you. But that saves a ton of digging. I'm a land manager and investor. So a little. This is the last tree of any significance down here. And this is the end where the beavers have cut. Beavers or Mother Nature have cut through the dam, and I'm going to raise it up.
And make sure to hit up the 100 down.
I hear water running, although it could be the creek that's just behind here.
It'd be better to use the skid steer for all this loose dirt, but he's obviously hauling trees, which we have to do that and get rid of them. It's almost ready for the tag team. I'll pull dirt from this end with the excavator, and he'll bring it down to that other end, because that other end is where we're going to need more. So I plugged that exit over there, which the beavers might be in there. Start compacting it, and then after that it's just add, compact, add, compact. And then I plugged it up here and put in, I don't remember how many pipes I put in here. And I also put in this spillway. So this pipe was running. Okay, yeah, look at them. Worked quite well. This pond is up several feet easily. Actually, it looks like by the evidence that it flowed right over the top of this. That's how full it got. You see it? See how it's all mashed down that way right here? So I think it came all the way over the top of this new dam here. Let's take a quick look at my plug in the back there. This was a new little trail that I cut. This was all underwater here. I could feel it slimy. Oh man, they connected the trail all the way around the pond. That's cool. So right here was a big cut. The water was just pouring out. We're almost to the cut. Alright, so here's the cut. Another, straight down. It's 3 to 4 foot deep. And the water's coming out through that. And it's going into one of his moats right there. Exactly how he built all them moats. When he was digging this pond with that backhoe, I mean, you can't see it because it's all weeds, but he's got a huge barrier on this side of the pond, which was trying, I think, to stop the creek from getting in his pond when it got too high. How well it worked, I don't know. I mean, it may have worked for, 5 or 10 years, who knows? But I think we're going to find out before too long, now that we're bringing the level back up.
can you see it over? It went over the top of that right there. That's how high this pond was recently. But it's holding up. I mean, it ain't leaking nothing. And it's up to the pipe, so look at how pretty that is. A nice walking trail. All right, well, another success. Definitely worked out well. Kind of on the cheap, but them 10-foot pipes are still holding. And it's been all the way underwater.